In the quiet countryside of Sergo, this charming farmhouse represents an opportunity for those who want to live immersed in nature without sacrificing the convenience of nearby services. The brick arches, exposed beams, and original rustic details preserve the historic charm of the building, making it a rare example of Veneto farmhouse architecture. The building, to be completely renovated, stands out for its generous volumes that allow multiple possibilities of use. Ideal to create a single large, stately home, two independent family units for those who wish to share the green spaces, and the porch for moments of relaxation and conviviality in common, or as a charming accommodation for activities related to agriculture, rural tourism, or food and wine. In the basement, there are wonderful cellars that evoke an atmosphere of yesteryear, with great potential for those who dream of creating a wine cellar, tasting space, or simply a unique conservation area. For more information or to book a visit, please do not hesitate to contact us.